ಶಶಿಧರ್ ಅವರೇ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಟು ಯು.
Shashi sir, many happy returns of the day.
ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಶಶಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
Shashi sir, wishing you a very happy birthday, sir.
ಹಾಯ್ ಶಶಿ, ವಿಶ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ, ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే శశి సార్.
ఈ రోజు మా డైరెక్టర్ ఎం శశిధర్ గారి బర్త్డే.
May God bless you with lots and lots of happiness, success, blockbuster, Ajagrat.
You're the coolest director ever.
ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಕಲೆಯನ್ನ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಶಂಸೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
And I have seen one of the best director in you.
I have enjoyed every moment of being there on the set. You have pushed me like nobody else has, and I really want to thank you for that.
ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ
చాలా మంచి సక్సెస్ చేకూరాలి. అజాగ్రత్త సినిమా చాలా బాగా తీస్తున్నారు, వస్తుంది.
I'm very happy to be working with you.
Because ऐसे काम होता है तभी बहुत सीखने मिलता है, तभी मज़ा आता है, एंड तभी जब उसका सक्सेस होता है ना तो वो चखने का स्वाद कुछ और ही होता है.
And I love your detailing, the way you explain.
ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಂಥವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ.
So thank you for doing this, sir.
So I wish to work with you again and again. And I love you, sir. Shashi sir.
విషింగ్ యూ అ గ్రేట్ ఇయర్ అహెడ్. శశి,
విషింగ్ యూ ఆల్ సక్సెస్ ఫర్ ఎవర్.
God bless you, sir. I love you a lot. I'm looking forward to working with you again and again and again and again and again.
వన్స్ మోర్
Happy birthday to you. Bye-bye.
ಸ್ವಾದಿಷ್ಟತೆಯ ಸ್ವಾದ, ತಾಜಾತನದ ಆಹ್ಲಾದ, ಉತ್ತಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರೋಗ ನಿರೋಧಕ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಪೌಷ್ಟಿಕಾಂಶ. ಶ್ರೀ ವೈದಿಕ್ ಮಿಲೆಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್, ಇದು ಸಿರಿಧಾನ್ಯಗಳ ಸಂಪತ್ತು.